This is the Tesla Cybertruck along with the kids' Cyberquad. When Tesla first announced the Cybertruck, they had a Cyberquad, a full-size ATV. Well, the only thing they've come out with so far is the kids' version, and my son here, who's 9 years old, is riding this around, and it fits him pretty well. However, there's no adult version. The only thing my son wanted to do when we brought home the Cybertruck was to get out the Cyberquad and put it in the back of this truck and see how it fits and see how it works in the back there. The Cybertruck does not have a built-in ramp into the tailgate like Tesla advertised in 2019. However, this is light enough that we can just lift it up and put it into the back of the bed here. We use the factory tie-down points here in each of the corners to strap these tie-downs onto the Cyberquad, make it secure, and get it ready for transportation. The Cybertruck has outlets in the bed of the truck, so we could plug into the regular 110 volt outlet and charge this Cyberquad while it's in the back there, so that's a really cool feature. So this little kid's Cyberquad fits really good in the truck. A full-size, adult-size ATV would fit nicely in the back of the truck as well. Guys, thanks for watching the video. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.